Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted exactly when we get in and out of these plays, guys. Also, get your free stock from the description down below. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, because this cheap stock will explode next week. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, because you could have got in at the ground floor when it was dirt cheap. It's still cheap, super cheap. So you still have crazy potential to make 100% returns, 50% returns, 200% returns, and especially if you're doing option, you'll make hundreds of percentage depending on how far out you put it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and throw you on this banger. A lot of you is already in on it, and that stock is Carvana, guys. Carvana, as we know, it's been a lot of, uh, bad articles, bad news, even your boy Kramer. If we take a look at it, Kramer now, supposed to be big dog, been in this thing for decades, and you trying to tell me, Kramer, is you really for the people, or do you actually? Now I'm starting to think like he actually say stuff to keep the people poor. Like that's his job. Cause like I told you guys before, it's in their best interest to not have everybody getting money. Everybody can't be getting money. But anyways, it just blows like Kramer. Make it make sense. Now Carvana down at $3, $4, $2, $1. I don't even think he's just gonna keep following the 50 cents to 10 cents and then $0 and just disappear. It's gonna have some type of pop. Regardless if the company stick around and stay or not. That's something I learned, guys. And it ain't gonna always happen. But 8 times out of 10, 9 times out of 10, the chances is very, very high. And whenever a situation arises like Carvana's, the chances is high that it's gonna spike up, even if it don't sustain itself. But the chances is also high, that you're able to make crazy, crazy amounts of money, being for the fact of how hard and how low it done got. You can make 100, 200, 300% returns. So if we take a look, it's a Kramer's lightning round Carvana is not a buy. It's that time again. Mad Money host Jim Cramer rings the lightning round bell, which means he's giving his answers to callers, stocks, questions for at rapid speed. It's a Carvana. It's too hard for me. We're looking for high quality situations. So he was saying he wouldn't buy it, telling everyone it's not a buy. And as he did, he missed people out on 100% return. Came down to $3, almost hit 6 on last week. That's nearly 100%. It probably ain't go up quite nearly that. Probably off a bit, probably 70, 80%. But anyways, from that lowest point to its highest point, people missed out on crazy, crazy returns if they listened to him. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Also, I alerted this on the channel, been alerting it, letting you guys know it's definitely going to be one of them ones. I do believe something major can happen with Carvana, guys, and don't let Wall Street bets and the retail investors attack it because they see the potential and end up saving Carvana like they did AMC. And it's really going to get hectic, guys. And even without that, though, just price action alone, like I tell you guys, I honestly see a major, major spike happening with Carvana. All the way right here. And and towards the end of the video, we're gonna share a few coordinates on where is a good buy-in price. Should you buy now, where's sell price, all that good stuff. We usually, do that in VIP. But like I say, guys, it's the weekend. We got time. We got time to give you all the information on it. But when the week is speeding up, Monday through Friday, trying to drop videos, trying to do all this is more challenging. So that's why VIP, I just send a message out. Everybody get the alert, and it's simple. So let's go ahead and take a further look, though. So Carvana stock collapse, bankruptcy fears after creditor pack another $1 price target. So they got a $1 price target on Carvana. Hey, that just mean I buy 1,000 more shares, maybe 2 or 3,000 more shares at $1. Come on now. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look and see exactly what the price action for Carvana is going to look like going into next week. See what Bitcoin looking like. Bitcoin sitting at 17,100. Told you guys Bitcoin is a nice little indicator on how the overall markets may do. If we take a look at Carvana, it ended at $4.95 on Friday after hitting a high of $5.94, almost touching $6, guys, and hit a low of 442. So as we know, this bad boy is heating up, is ready to run. If you notice on Friday, when Carvana had broke when it broke $5, it was game on. And a major reason got to do with that is because a lot of these big hedge funds, these $1 billion industries, they don't, these hedge funds and these larger companies, they don't usually touch stocks under five. Excuse me, guys. They don't touch stocks under $5. Once you get over that threshold of $5, billions of dollars will start pouring in it. It's like kind of like a rule of theirs. But anyways, as we've seen, as soon as it broke five, this thing spiked off with no hesitation, going straight up to around $6, and then coming right back down to build support because it went off too quick. It was like, oh, too quick for you. So now it came back down and built support right near that spike because we spiked off at 5, we ended at 5, basically using that resistance at 5 as a new form of support. That's exactly what we want to see us hold up at the high 4s, right at that 5, because come next week, only thing we need to do is break through $5.10, and this thing is going to fly straight back to the $6 range, guys. And so the support area for Carvana, a good buy-in zone would be, the 490, 480. And if this is broken, it could come all the way back to around the mid 4s. So hopefully we hold up. I think it's going to hold up. Hopefully it's just a big spike coming from Friday to Monday. That in the pre-market, a lot of people miss a crazy opportunity because it could usually spike up probably $3-4 in the pre-market and open up at $8 or $9. You never know, guys. But whenever something get hit this hard, that's the possibility of it opening up big. Just be even, the chances of that happening be even higher. So once Carvana broke that $5 barrier, though, guys, the beautiful thing is, that's why I say we could possibly open up big. You never know, because once it broke that 5, there's no walls all the way up to the high 6s, the $7 range. So from 5 to 7, that's a significant jump. So for the people that's just now buying in at these levels, so you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram, get in VIP, get your free stock, do all that good stuff. Hit me up for a phone call if you would like to. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.